back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to automate receipts from email, zero data entry in Ramp. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for zero data entry and set up automatic email forwarding in Ramp, all you gotta do is simply integrate with your email service. You need to go to the settings of Ramp to connect your Ramp with your email provider such as Gmail or Outlook. Now you need to create a forwarding rule. Set up a rule in your email client to automatically forward any incoming emails that contain receipts to receipts@ramp.com. Once you do this, you can also make the rule more specific by filtering the email from certain sender or with certain keywords to ensure only relevant receipts are being forwarded. Now, RAM system uses OCR, that is optical character recognition, and AI to automatically extract data from the receipt. It then matches the data to the correct transaction based on merchant amount, date, and other information. The match receipt is then automatically filed, eliminating manual data entry and attachment of receipts to transactions. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.